first couple of windings. Okay, well, okay, push it up to the top, and that is our settings. Let's go. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, we're just unraveling the wire. Okay. Let's go. Okay, that is